Most people handle credit cards in one of two incorrect ways. They either swipe randomly without any strategy, or they avoid credit cards completely out of a fear of accumulating debt. The result is entirely predictable. Banks quietly collect billions in profit, while ordinary consumers leave significant cashback, hotel stays, and travel rewards sitting untouched every single year. Today, I am going to walk you through step 1 of the credit card rotation strategy, a specific, tested method for converting your mandatory monthly bills into luxury travel and free rewards without spending an extra dime. Credit cards are not inherently financial traps. They are highly programmable tools. Whether they drain your money or generate value depends entirely on the operating system you use to manage them. The most common point of failure for beginners is relying on one single card for every purchase. Banks do not design their reward systems to heavily compensate a single generalized spending pattern. Instead, they assign localized multipliers. Different cards reward specific spending categories like travel, dining, or online shopping. To capture this value, you use habit matching. Visualize this setup. You assign a card offering a 4% return strictly to your food habits. Every grocery run, restaurant bill, and coffee purchase goes exclusively on this dedicated food card. Now add a second specialized tool to the rotation. A card offering 3% back on transportation becomes your dedicated transit card for gas and commuting. Your normal spending is now automatically generating maximum rewards across multiple categories. Looking at the math on screen, the impact is clear. If you route a standard $600 monthly food budget through that 4% card, you instantly generate $24 back from money you are obligated to spend anyway. Over 12 months, that yields nearly $300 in value from a single spending category. You have not increased your budget. You have simply redirected your existing expenses into specialized tools that pay you for your daily routine. The fastest way to accelerate this system is by capturing sign-up bonuses. Banks compete aggressively, offering significant upfront value to win your business. A standard high-yield offer requires you to hit a specific spending threshold within a short window, often something like spending $4,000 within 3 months to earn 80,000 points. Beginners frequently panic at these requirements, assuming they must engage in reckless, unnecessary spending just to hit the target. That is the exact opposite of a successful strategy. The correct approach is strategic rerouting. You look ahead at your calendar and identify the planned expenses you already intend to make. Capturing this value requires taking large, inevitable life expenses and turning them into leverage. You make the system trigger your rewards using the obligations you already have. Heavy, planned expenses are the perfect fuel for this strategy. Think about your upcoming rent payments, 6-month insurance premiums, and standard household utility bills. Watch how this progress bar fills. Instead of paying those bills through your standard checking account, you actively route them through the new rewards card. You reach the $4,000 threshold entirely through natural, required spending. Once that threshold is crossed, the bank releases the points. Depending on your redemption strategy, those points easily translate into $800 or more in direct travel value. Highly disciplined users routinely fund their entire annual vacations using nothing but optimized welcome offers from these rerouted bills. Again, you are not spending more money. You are simply optimizing the payment pathway of the cash you already plan to spend. Everything we have covered completely collapses if you fail to follow the golden rule of zero interest. This single habit dictates whether you succeed or fail. Banks design these reward ecosystems knowing that a large percentage of consumers will eventually carry a balance. Credit card interest rates are brutally expensive by design. Let's visualize the math. Imagine you successfully generate $300 in pure rewards through careful rotation and strategic rerouting. Firm warning, a few months of interest charges will mathematically destroy those gains. A free flight is a massive net loss if you are paying high-interest debt every 30 days to get it. This requires strict behavioral discipline. You must pay the balance in full every single month before the due date. The credit limit is not free money. You treat the card exactly like a debit card connected to existing funds. When you maintain a zero balance, you legally force the bank to fund your rewards out of their own profit margins. The financial system works for you rather than against you. Credit cards are neutral. They are simply financial amplifiers that scale the habits you already possess. If your habits are impulsive, credit cards will amplify your debt and cost you heavily. But if you apply discipline, they amplify your cash flow flexibility, build strong credit, and generate thousands in free travel. If you want to continue learning how to build wealth step by step, subscribe to Finance Decoded MB. True financial intelligence is not hiding from complex systems out of fear. It is learning the rules, building a strategy, and ensuring those systems consistently pay you.